Madurai, the city that never sleeps. 2,500 years ago, the craftsmen of Madurai were creating history. The cotton fabrics produced by them ended up in the far-flung corners of the world, coveted by the ancient Romans themselves. 2 millennia later, in 1936, a visionary from the same city set out on a mission to revitalize the production of cotton fabrics. He was Karumuttu Thiagarajan Chettiar, a freedom fighter, industrialist and philanthropist. Once again, the world began to covet Madurai's cotton. This is the tale of the Thiagarajar Group. The Thiagarajar Group produces 100% cotton yarns and fabrics. With an installed capacity of 104,000 spindles and 264 looms, they have become one of the largest producers and exporters of 100% compact yarn in the country. This triumph was the result of tremendous grit and perseverance. It involved hard work, commitment, and technological innovation. And it all begins with cotton.
The textile business was set up by my father, Kalaitande Karumuttu Thiagarajan Chettiar, exactly a century ago in Madurai. He came into the textile business to provide employment for displaced workers, which was part of the national movement. This company, Thiagarajar Mills Limited, has been in existence for about 8 decades and has been a top performer in the textile scene in the country. Thiagarajar Mills, along with his associate VTM Limited, produces top quality yarns and fabrics for the world market.
The contamination-removed cotton undergoes an extensive process of cleaning and improvisation, converting it into uniform and individual strands. By the adoption of the Japanese 5S principles, the workplace has become disciplined and orderly, and the productivity has increased exponentially. This has been facilitated by a well-organized and seamless workflow. The fibers are spun through the ring frame to produce yarns. Air is blown at regular intervals during this process to enhance cleaning. The yarn is wound into cones using state-of-the-art Clafost and Murata automatic cone winders to provide fault-free and contamination-free products. With a vision of creating new benchmarks in manufacturing quality yarn, the mill uses 2-for-1 twisting or TFO and gassing processes to produce high-quality export yarns.
Our factories are well planned and maintained. The 5S certification along with Kaizen and Lean management helped us in our cost management, energy saving and improved worker efficiencies. We have many key certifications including BCI, the Egyptian Gold Seal, Supima, GOTS, OCS and Okiotics. The companies have achieved the higher standards not just in quality but also in terms of productivity. We believe in doing business with our invaluable clientele with an endeavor to build a stronger society through our CSR initiatives focused mainly on skill building and education.
The Thiagarajar Group is weaving together a different story at BTM. On a campus blessed with lush greenery, an abundance of local wildlife, and the steady thrum of looms echoing in the air, they manufacture, grease and processed fabrics for export and domestic markets. The high-quality yarn initially undergoes warping, sizing, preparing the yarn for weaving. Using Toyota Airjet and Sulzer looms, the yarns are woven with precision into high-grade plain fabric. The mill also produces specialty fabrics like structured, derby, plain, twill, satin and jacquard. Contemporary designs are woven with established G8 2000 jacquard looms. Rapier derby looms are used to make patterned fabric. With the use of state-of-the-art machinery and the continual improvement of products and processes, BTM produces over 2 million meters of fabric every year. To establish a direct connection with people and to carry its legacy with modernity, the Thiagarajar Group established Pacific Cotton Company, a brand that offers masterfully crafted home textiles.
Pacific Cotton Company is our customer-facing project, so it is our brand. Because we own such a large chunk of the value chain already, because we have spinning mills and we have weaving mills, this was sort of our logical next step. So we now have the brand, which is manufacturer direct, which comes out of our cut and sew unit. It moves us up the value chain more significantly. Pacific Cotton Company is not only customer focused but also data focused. We leverage technology and data to reach our customers. We use technology to deliver our products to the customer, but also to understand who our customer is, where online they're hanging out, where to reach them, how to reach them, and what sort of products they require and appreciate. So when you are choosing our brand, when a customer is buying a Pacific Cotton Company product, they are saying yes to ethical and quality manufacturing. They are saying yes to values-based leadership, and they are saying yes to a company that focuses on not just ethics and values, but also cares about its customers.
People are the soul of this organization. Everyone feels a sense of belonging. Initiatives like free housing for permanent employees and free primary education for their children add to this. The Thiagarajar Group are also firm believers in giving back to their community. Established by the founder Karumuthu Thiagarajan Chettiar, Thiagarajar College of Engineering and Thiagarajar College of Arts and Science stand tall as premier educational institutions that transform generations. High-achieving children of the employees are also given free education at these institutions. The dedication, transparency, rigorous testing, expertly trained employees, state-of-the-art equipment and commitment to sustainable practices make them a class apart. The spinning of a yarn, which started 2000 years ago, has now culminated in this rich tapestry of legacy and industriousness, and it continues forward.